look ready to rock and roll.
You look ready to rock.
You got it. We are definitely in the right direction. So Hemingway Park, straight ahead. Welcome to Hemingway Park. Let's see those goats.
You don't see this every day. Right, come to a park and you have bighorn sheep all over the place just chomping away.
Dave was actually saying maybe we do one of our, polar plunges.
High five. Ah! There we go, ready?
Go!
Ah, cold!
Oh my God! I heard it smells good, but I heard our son, he's like, yes it does.
I like that.
Back to check out another RV park, except this one is a little outside of Las Vegas in Boulder City-ish area called Canyon Trail RV Park. Are you excited?
I'm excited to check it out. We're looking for a park close to Vegas and great reviews, so really kind of curious about it.
Yeah, I just saw somebody walking by. So I was like, wait, where is he? Oh, they're walking by. So just kind of waved to him.
Big bike trail.
Just give a little wave.
Yeah.
Hi.
And plus, the city of Boulder is pretty cool, so I'm excited to check it out. And plus, we have our electric bikes with us.
There's a lot of pluses in there. I like it.
We got a lot of pluses.
I like that. And I also want to just do one quick thing, a little shameless self-promotion. So we are on the road, you guys, to 100,000 subscribers. And literally, this is telling me to put my seatbelt on right now. So I got to put my seatbelt on.
Wear your seatbelt.
I am. I have to put my jacket on. But we're on the road to 100,000 subscribers. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, we really greatly appreciate it if you take a second, hit that subscribe button, because all that love does go a long way. Stick around and join us, because it's always an adventure with us. And yay, I think I'm going to have to burp in a second because I had that seltzer.
That seltzer is crazy.
I should kind of pull into Canyon Trail RV Park. Okay, it's almost like this industrial area. Woo!
Right,
Take it slow. Woo!
Take it slow. It looks
looks like riding a Bronco.
Looks like a.
Watch the bump.
It looks pretty tight in here, actually.
You're not paying attention to these speed bumps.
I'm looking around.
I know. Pay attention to those speed bumps.
Or here's the office. Got to pull on in.
All right, we got to check into the office.
So slow down. This is not a racetrack.
Exactly. You hear that? That big sign with that right there too.
I'm going like 2 miles an hour.
Very good point. All right, so we got to check in.
Find
out where our spot is. Hopefully it's close to a bathroom, which you know how I like to make sure we have that.
They got some big RVs in here.
There is a lot of big RVs.
Yeah.
Really,
I think you get a lot of folks that stay here long term.
Ah,
I'm really curious.
so we can meet some cool people.
Yeah, maybe some snowbirds are here still.
Yeah, if you've ever been to this RV park, we would love to let us know in the comment section below what you feel about Canyon Trail RV Park here in Boulder. So, all right, so Dave and I are going to be spending a couple nights here at this spot. So we figured tonight we just kind of set up, relax, and really kind of kick things into gear tomorrow as it's a little late. So we shall see you guys in the morning. Tonight's going to be a very cool night, and so we actually have this propane, because you can't light wood here at this RV park, but you can use a propane fire pit. So we actually have a small propane fire pit that Dave is out there right now trying to hook up for the first time. So let's see how he's doing. Okay, so how's it going? First time using it, so Dave turned the nozzle. There it goes.
There it goes.
Wow, nice job.
It's on fire. Yeah, it actually works very easy.
Works very easily.
Right, quick connect in. Good morning, babe.
Good morning. Thank you for the coffee. Oh my gosh, how'd you sleep last night?
Slept really well.
Yeah, me too. I felt like we had a great night. I'm really looking forward to having this cup of coffee and our bikes. Oh my God, finally,
I'm
we're gonna ride our bikes, explore this place.
I'm excited to explore Boulder. Yeah. Maybe the park with the sheep and everything.
The Bighorn
awesome.
Sheep Park.
Yes.
It's gonna be so much fun. Oh, so much fun.
Well, the plan is get them out of the garage, unfold them, snap them up, turn them on, and just hit the road.
Oh, I like it.
Right, and just explore. We're gonna explore the whole area. It's gonna be awesome.
Now, it's our first time riding those things, so we, I think they can go 40 miles, 30 something miles, but we don't want to go that far.
Hey, Hoover Dam's within that distance. Maybe, who knows? Can you take electric bikes in it? Probably.
You probably could.
Right?
And the patrol people won't stop you.
How cool would that be?
RV.
Yeah. I say we just go for it.
Ooh, we look ready to rock and roll. You look ready to rock and roll.
Ready to rock. You look ready to rock.
You got the glasses, visors on. You got your shorts on. Man, you're ready to rock. We got the helmets.
Well, I do need to get some sunblock. That could be trouble here in the Nevada desert.
Could definitely be some trouble. We are off to Hemingway Park and maybe to check out a little bit of downtown. There's a lot to explore here. for sure. Looks like right now we're on a bike path actually, which is nice. And wow, look at the views over there. Gorgeous. Oh.
There we go.
How you doing?
A little help.
Oh yeah, I'm coming up to you. Woo, these bikes cruise. Woo-hoo. Thank gosh we're on electric bikes. Be easier going uphill. So the bike path is actually in some sort of, so it's considered a dual drainage and recreation area.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, right?
Not sure I've ever actually biked down a kind of a waterway here, so watch out for flash flooding.
Yeah, well, it's interesting. It does say there's like a warning sign. It says used for dual purpose, like waterway and bike, trails.
Danger of drowning.
Yeah,
so
danger of drowning.
If there's rains around, then don't come biking on it.
Hey, it could be the ultimate water slide.
That's true. That's, we have to adjust. We have to do some mods on the bike.
Just get me a tube or a canoe.
Yeah,
I'm ready.
exactly.
Let's rock it. Woo, going through the tunnel. Woo! Figaro. Oh, Dave, there's some bighorn sheep. Hello, you two. Okay, well, he looked like he's coming this way, so I'm gonna go staying away. Look at them. Wow, look at these guys. So these look like maybe they're a bunch of males, I think.
Yeah, yep.
Just hanging out and grazing. Dave, can you believe that? Look at that.
That's amazing, I know.
They're just grazing.
What do you think?
I think this is awesome. Look at this, guys.
Normally I'm off like with like binoculars trying to scout them out on a ridge somewhere off in the distance, but here in Boulder City they're right around, all around you.
Hanging out.
Reminds me of the elk refuge in Jackson, right, where they're just elk everywhere.
This is kind of crazy. It's all uphill. Thank God for this bike. A lot of work.
And I'm only in assist 1.
Woo, just keep going. Don't worry about it. Don't look up. Focus down. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready. Now go, Tanya, go. That's right. Okay, we are definitely in the right direction because here's what says watch for sheep. So Hemingway Park, straight ahead. Bighorn sheep, straight ahead. Welcome to Hemingway Park, Boulder City, Nevada, home of Hoover Dam. Let's see those guns. Did you know these are the icons of the West and that each horn is shaped as a C and it's known as a curl?
You don't see this every day.
No.
Right, come to a park and you have bighorn sheep all over the place just chomping away.
It's so relaxing. I just
Right?
feel like the grass looks amazing.
Right?
They're all over the place.
They are.
Amazing. And like usually, I guess in the heat of the summer times too, I'm sure these guys may be hiding, where
Right.
it's a little cooler. This must be like the grassiest time when it's kind of like, I don't know, fresh before the heat of the Vegas sun
Right.
scorches it.
I know, they definitely have to, they must put a lot of water on this to keep the grass the way it is.
Collars on some.
Yeah, some are collared for sure, you see that. And these are the females, it looks like. Now the males we kind of saw as we were biking in,
Yeah.
scattered around.
Oh, they're so beautiful. And they clearly have been associated with a lot of humans because
Oh yeah, they could,
nothing's bothering them right now.
they could care less about us, right?
Of course, they have the things protecting all so they don't go nibbling on those things.
Yes. Well, all this eating is making me hungry.
I know, I'm starving. So let me check a little bit more. I want to talk to a couple of these mountain goats, see how life's been treating them, and maybe we find something to eat.
How cool is this though? You got this beautiful green park, you got the mountain bighorn sheep, and then Lake Mead down in the distance.
It's really sad though, because you can see just how
I
much the
know.
water has been just evaporating. Just
It's true, you can just see that, those rings,
wow.
right? Kind of like the rings there, almost like the bathtub rings, right? Which shows the top height of the water years ago.
Hello, little guys. This is as close as I'm gonna go. Hello. Hi. Really? Oh.
yeah, they said they're enjoying a little Sunday brunch.
Sunday brunch day.
Adding more fertilizer to the
Yeah, a little fertilizer.
little fertilizer. Heading down to a little historic Boulder City, which is really nice. Look at that, that's like Nevada Inn. It's really quite quaint down here. Now they do have a bike lane, but still learning these bikes here. I don't want to swerve my butt out into the streets. But we're actually heading to one of our favorite little spots here in Boulder.
do you think, babe?
I am thinking it's really nice to be back in one of our little favorite spots here. We did a video on this place.
I know.
I forget, a while back.
It was our Hoover Dam Day.
Hoover Dam Day. And this definitely, thank you guys. We had a lot of feedback. A lot of you guys have come to check out this spot, which is great. Small business here, but I love it. The decor is great. Last time I had like liver and onions, which was like surprising, but they were dang delicious.
Oh, it's great. Everything like homemade here too.
Oh yeah.
Remember those pies?
Yeah.
Those pies are good.
Oh yeah, and this is the Southwest Diner here. I'm ready to eat. I think I'm going for more breakfast. Even though it's lunchtime, I'm feeling like a little brekkie.
I like it. Right here in historic Boulder City.
So I think what's really cool about Boulder City is that it's one of two, I believe. Panica might be another one, but one of two cities in Nevada that doesn't allow gambling. I think the town kind of voted on not having gambling within the town, so there is no gambling here.
You kidding me?
In
That's
Boulder
crazy.
City. I'm just saying.
No gambling in Boulder City. That's right. Watch out for that.
Watch
That's
out for
trouble.
that.
And actually, it was also built basically for the workers who built the Hoover Dam. Right. So the builder of the Hoover Dam lived here, and then went on over to the Colorado River and built the dam. It's pretty cool.
That's very cool.
Right, but no gambling.
No gambling.
Just build.
Build.
Just build, baby. build, baby. And when you're in Nevada, make sure you
drink plenty of water. Mason jar size.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So how many cups of coffee have you had today, babe?
This would be our third cup. But I mean, we just came through a strenuous bike ride, and I need that second leg of the day.
Absolutely. On to the third cup.
On to the third cup. I got a place for this corned beef hash.
That looks great.
Oh, today's special. I mean, this place, the specials are extra special. And that corned beef hash, oh, so much great flavor. I got the corned beef with the egg and the banana nut bread. I'm going exactly what you went for, except you got wheat toast, I got banana nut bread. It is so good. You're really gonna like this.
I'm excited. And everything's homemade here, so it's pretty sweet.
What do you think?
I'll give it a try. Let's see.
Ooh. Oh, there it is. Oh my God.
Oh man. I tell you, for Sunday,
there it is.
this makes you want to dance.
Oh.
Makes you want to dance.
Oh, watch out.
Kind of raise the arms in the air.
Oh, watch out.
Just say hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
It's time to eat some more.
Cheerio. And where would I find my pot of gold? Oh, there he is.
Right there. Dave was actually saying maybe we do one of our, polar plunges. That smells like barbecue.
Something smells really good, yeah. Is that your barbecue?
I was joking at
man.
first, but maybe I shouldn't be joking at all with some Dos Equis.
Yeah, we're getting serious.
So you want to take a plate?
Oh, I love it. I'll be right over. David, don't even test it. No. That's not how we do it.
No testing.
All right.
All right, here we go. High five.
Ah!
There we go. Ready?
Go.
Ah, cold.
Oh my God.
Oh, man. Now this feels
I
warm.
told you.
Oh.
How warm is that?
It was cold.
I'm so glad I can't see everybody laughing.
Yeah, right. Hello.
And that's what you do when you come to this park. You take a little polar dip and then you jump in the hot tub.
You ready to jump in?
I am ready to jump in. I don't know, it's like 100 degrees in here, but it's like minus 20 out there.
Whatever it is.
All right, we gotta do it.
Let's do it. Ready?
All right, you guys. Woo.
Oh. Oh.
All right, so for tonight's dinner, we're gonna have some chicken kebabs. Really nice,
Sort of like a fajita style. So it's gonna have a lot of sweet and tangy spices in there. Some yellow and green bell peppers, some red onion, and I might spice it up a little bit with a little more Cajun seasoning just to make it a little bit more sweet and spicy. So we're really looking forward to this. This is gonna be a great little dinner tonight. We're gonna put it on the grill with some charcoal, especially after that polar plunge. You need a hearty meal to kind of recoup all those brain cells been lost from freezing yourself up there. Are we ready for this?
I hope so.
Oh, let's see the coals. Cue the slow motion.
Hi, little Cole. Move it to the top with the rest of the family.
All right.
So do you think we should probably have some onion with that today?
I think that might be cool. Maybe a little extra.
A little extra onion.
A little extra onion. Next we have what, red onion on the kebab.
Right, I think there's like one.
And we have
red
some
onion,
we have
green.
some white onion. We can kind of slice that. That'd be good.
I'll put some olive oil.
I like that.
Veggie seasoning on it.
We're gonna start. We just started cooking. You hear like got some folks saying smells good.
Right over there. I heard smells good. Then I heard like her son. He's like, yes it does.
I like that.
Okay, so the onions are definitely gonna cook a lot faster. You have the heat roaring in there, which is nice.
I'm kind of burned the chicken a bit. We'll see. Hopefully it comes okay.
Well, there's just the ends, little crispy ends.
Crispy ends.
I think we should enjoy some of these onions while the chicken is kind of like.
A little rough cooking night tonight.
Oh, not bad.
You know?
Actually, it's pretty good.
Well, I had a few trial and errors. Had to cut through the shish kebabs, make sure they were done. So they're a little raw when they came out. They did a little second take, but hopefully they're okay now.
Not nice flavor in that.
I do like the flavor. Yeah, nice spices on there. That's good to me. Nice job, Ed.
Like a song, you were mine over.
Hey, got some coffee for you.
All right. Good morning, babe. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It is such a gorgeous morning.
Oh, it's beautiful. It was crazy windy last night.
Wasn't it really windy?
I know. I couldn't believe it. Woke up a few times with the wind just like, what
Yeah, remember the clothes I hung out yesterday to dry?
I know.
Thank you for picking some of them up.
They-
I think
they
I still
flew-
lost a t-shirt, but my underwear and a bra, which
They
is
flew
flying
all over the
everywhere.
place. They flew all over the place. It was
Hey,
crazy.
at least the pieces you found, they were dry.
The wind did dry them.
They were dry by
For sure.
morning. Dry by morning.
All right. It is a beautiful morning. Boy, it feels good.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It is gorgeous. Well, cheers to a great
Today.
morning.
Great morning. It was a lot of fun here.
I know.
I feel like there's so much to explore too.
I
It's a
know.
neat little town, and of course, love the RV campsite here. It's
Yeah.
really nice. They
It's-
do a great job with it.
They do. I mean, it was nice meeting some of the staff. It was great to
Yes.
enjoy the Polar Plunge in the pool.
Yes,
Along
had
with
lot
a
of
bit
fun.
of a hot tub experience, which is great.
The hot tub was nice and warm.
It
Once
is
they kicked
good.
on the propane.
Absolutely.
Wonderful.
We had our own little private pool and hot tub.
Yeah, so overall, I think Canyon Trail RV Park, it's a great little spot just outside of Las Vegas, about 30 minutes, right?
Absolutely. So, easy trip to Vegas. Obviously, right next to Lake Mead and Hoover Dam.
Yes, if you have a bike, and I think most folks are starting to get into the electric bike world.
Yes.
There's so many places you can explore just via bike if you are, motorized like us and you want to just go off and explore. But, I love it. I think we're going to enjoy some coffee
Absolutely.
and on to the next.